outgoing president, ang ating past president si Dr. Corazon Josue, at ang aking tatay, ang aking idol. Nasabi niya kanina paulit-ulit na sinusundan ko ang kanyang yapak, Dr. Abib. Ang aking kapatid, si Marvin, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng guests at kaibigan na nandito ngayong gabi, good evening. Let me start my message by telling you how this occasion has a very personal importance to me. As a very shy boy, ako po ay talagang sobrang mahiyain ng aking kabataan. Pag mga ganitong occasions, I would just go behind doon sa pinakadulo para ito mapansin. I have never imagined myself to be a leader. I've honed my leadership potentials, which started during my elementary and high school years here in Marinduque as a student council president in St. Mary's School. And for many years of my life, I've honed this leadership potential in various medyo maliit po, malabo na rin yata ang aking mata. In various civic and professional organizations in Metro Manila, like the Rotary Club of Timog and the Rotary Club of Timog. Through all those times, I have given my best ability and modesty aside, katulad po ng banggit na aking kapatid, meron akong ilang mga natanggap na awards. But there is my inner desire to go back here in Marinduque. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit hindi ako makapagservisyo dito sa aking pinaglakihang probinsya, napakagandang probinsya ng Marinduque. At walang ibang paraan yun, kundi sa kinalakihan kong organization na mula bata pa ako na-expose. Tandaan ko si Dr. Bernadette kasama ko sa mga medical mission, dental mission ng Marinduque Dental Chapter. High school pa lang kami, nasabak na kami sa mga malalayong lugar dito sa ating probinsya. Sabi ko nga, nandito ang aking puso sa Marinduque. So when you elected me as the president of this prestigious organization, the Marinduque Dental Chapter, I was overwhelmed with so much joy and enthusiasm, with a fervent hope that I would be able to contribute something to the ever-growing and growing stronger dental chapter of Marinduque. I have always considered the Marinduque Dental Chapter embedded in my heart. First and foremost, I take pride of coming from a family of dentists from Marinduque. From my grandparents, Dr. Generoso and Luisa Montellano, my great-aunt, Dr. Iluminada Montellano Calachan, my uncle, Dr. Victor Montellano, my aunt, the past Dr. Edna Montellano Jimena, my cousins, Dr. Hilda Montellano Calachan, Dr. Dani Montellano Jimena, and but last but not of course, not the least, my father, Dr. Robbie Montellano, my ulirang ama. Honestly, it is not easy to be in my position, having to contend with the illustrious list of dentists that I have mentioned. I have a family legacy to the dental profession to uphold, and with their achievements, I feel humble and challenged. So my dear colleagues in the dental profession, my friends, now you know why I want my term as president to make a tangible milestone in the history of this association. I have a dream. I want to change the lives of Marinduqueños one smile at a time. If we can make the people of Marinduque smile through their healthy dental care, then it can develop their confidence. These ever sweet smiling people, plus our beautiful natural resources in the province, it would not be difficult to make Marinduque a tourist destination in the country. It's only a single dream, but if we dream together, then it will be a big dream that can be achievable. Remember, changing life one smile at a time. At this point, allow me to mention that this occasion comes with my family grieving loss of my maternal grandmother, ang aming pong mama. Siya po ay kinalakan ko na malusog at siya yung parang naging, maaminin ko ako po ay lola's boy. Siya yung aking tagapagtanggol kapag may nagagawa kasalanan, tagapagtanggol kay na mami at kay daddy. Napakasakit na siya po ay sumakabilang buhay at nakasama ang ating great creator. Nagkataon pa, sabi ko nga na ikwento ko, nagkataon pa few days before this induction and scientific seminar. Pero katulad ko na sabi ng mga aking kapamilya, ng mga tao na sa paligid, mga kaibigan, yan ay isang blessing. Blessing na para kayo maging matibay, blessing na para mas kumapit ka sa pananalig mo sa Panginoon, at blessing na matuto kang to move on after this very sad moment in our life, lalo na po sa aking nanay. Kaya sabi ko nga po, dapat nandito yung nanay ko ngayon, pero siya po ay nandun sa aming bahay dahil tomorrow will be yung, tonight will be the last day of ng wake ng aming grandmother. So, sa akin sobrang kagustuhan niya pumunta because in many years, during my presidency in Rotary, kahit bagyo, she will make an effort to be part of that very great occasion. Pero ngayon talaga, hindi na namin siya pinilit na pumunta to give her time to spend time with our parents or lola. So, yung aking lubos na pasasalamat sa aking nanay na si Dr. Margarita Montellano ay talagang hinahangaan ko siya. Sobrang supportive and always wanting the best for us. So being a president of the Marinduque Dental Chapter is considered as an opportunity that I could not refuse. So kanina habang ine-edit ko itong ine-edit namin ng aking kapatid yung speech, we went through this in his Steps journal. Kung you're familiar with his Steps journal today, it is about finishing strong. It is about the disciples seeing Jesus walking in the water for the first time. Ito yung naglakad siya sa tubig. Si Peter was able to walk towards Jesus. But when his faith was wavered, he began to sink. The lesson we can all learn from here, we are sometimes like Peter. We start strong, our hearts on fire, but there comes a time when hurdles come our way. We lose faith and finish the walk, and finish also weak. As members of this organization, we must keep going strong. When we are confronted with opportunities, we should say yes instead of no, or I'm not sure. Like Peter, we must learn how to put our hearts, mind, and strength in our commitment to service. Only then we can witness awesome power of finishing strong. Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat ulit sa inyong pagdalo sa ating 23rd turnover and induction ceremonies at pagpalaan po tayo lahat ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Kuya. Buti na lang hindi ka nainis sa akin kasi nagloko yung iPad.